Mills, aka Millie Bobby Brown's brand, has collaborated recently with DELSEY Paris, a really popular travel brand, and they have collaborated to create travel accessories together with the little Florence by Mills flair. If you've been following my channel for some time, you'll know that we've previously reviewed some Florence by Mills clothing and a lot of other travel accessories like BEIS, Nomad Lane, and recently Bag Smart. So reviewing this felt like a no-brainer. So the colors are so cute, I had to, and the price point, so good. Let's go ahead and review together, and I've also brought some of my BEIS items with to do a little comparison. I'm Rosie, and this is my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Before I move any further, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because it keeps me here week after week with you. It's free, but it helps me so much. You don't even know. Whether you watch on your phone, your laptop, or your TV, my new videos will just populate anytime they're uploaded. Let's go on. I'm gonna review three things: the carry-on duffel bag, the weekender duffel bag, and the travel backpack. Let's start with the carry-on duffel bag. So this one is $80. It currently comes in 5 different colors on Amazon, which is really nice, by the way. You could get these on Amazon. Quick comparison, it kind of is not exactly the same in size, but smaller, like the weekender from BEIS, and this one's about $98. So 80, 98, a bit different, but also kind of different styles. The weekender that we're gonna look at later is a little bit more similar in style. So let's take a look at this. So what we have here is the bag itself. It's pretty cute. You can kind of see the sizing of it. We'll actually take my handy dandy little measuring tape to see how wide it is, which also, by the way, it comes on here, but I thought it'd be fun for us to see. So it's about, let's say 19-ish inches wide, and in height, it's about 13 and a half. Okay, so let's talk about it. So it's very similar to kind of early days BEIS, like the more simple BEIS stuff. It's kind of got like this plastic vibe, more travel friendly. I feel like these are so cute. They're like a tween. Honestly, even for me, who is in their 30s, I just think this is so cute. I love these colors. It's nylon. And then he has these really nice kind of like, what do you call these, fabric straps. They're very thin. There's no cushion on them, so, you know, something to think about. It does come with a nice little strap though that says Florence by Mills, which is cute. We'll put those on in a minute. To continue on the front, you have a pocket in the front, cute zipper. I love the logo on this. It's like a little rubber. Well, let's see how much my hand can go in there. Not my whole hand, but that's okay. We just want like something for our chapstick. At least I do. And then you can see here, oh, this kind of is nice. It looks like it could go over your, oh my gosh, what's it called? Carry-on. Your roller carry-on, so it could slide right in, which I don't know about you, but that's a must for me when I'm traveling because I'm constantly just throwing my stuff aside. So it looks like it opens up quite a bit. It's very cushy, very nice. It flattens and it widens, so that's good. There's nothing to kind of keep it that way. Like there's no structure to the bag, but that's kind of nice because you can kind of just squish it up. Let's go inside here. So they have a big zipper. Very interesting. What color is this zipper? So this zipper, it's got a little purple on it, but the inside one is black, which is fine, but I kind of am surprised it's not purple because this has also got a little bit of that. So pretty much one pocket in here. I feel like this is actually a good gym bag. Let's see, you got some accessories, nothing. It's pretty simple, not bad. Honestly, I feel like this would be good, like if you got like a daughter that goes to ballet or dance, this is a good bag for that. How fun. Simple, but cute. What do we think? So pretty simple to clip these on. It's got metal here, so it's pretty sturdy. Also same like fabric material. Let's show you how that clicks in. Cute. Adjustable strap here. Adorable. What do we think? I actually love this. Like if I was in high school or in college, or if I was like athletic, I think this would be really nice to go to the gym. I feel like I love it. What do we think, guys? Comment below. What are our thoughts on bag number 1, the carry-on duffel bag? Let me know. Got to note too, there's this little like handle on the side, so if you need to grab your bag real quickly, that is pretty nifty. That's like something we need to know. Next we have the weekender duffel bag. look familiar. So this is $120 from Florence. This is from Florence by Mills, not confused with the city in Italy. And then this is the full-size weekender from BEIS, and this is $108. So actually this is more, but I do see these go on sale all the time. Like right now it's $83 on Amazon. So kind of nice, which these do go on sale as well, but maybe not as frequently as something on Amazon. Let's talk about her and then we'll compare. We're gonna try to measure her. Okay, so let's see. She is, and I'm obviously not like measuring this perfectly, about 22 inches wide, which actually the bag will tell me if I'm correct on that, because there's some measurements in here, and it is about 22.5 inches wide, 14.5 inches tall, and that's basically it. So let's take a look here. I actually am obsessed with the purple on here because I feel like it's nice to still see her style come through. Let's go through her. We see a lot of pockets happening. So one thing I noticed right off the gate, this reminds me of like early BEIS where you have the bottom here where you can just unzip. And what do we do with it? So it doesn't come off, it stays on. So this is cute. I love the pop of purple. One thing that bothers me is that there's no structure to this. Unlike BEIS did eventually update it and there is structure. Like you can see I can't even smush it. Before they were very smushy, which is like that. So if you like that, maybe you like the idea of being able to kind of like condense it and shove it away somewhere. Otherwise, you're not gonna be a fan. Like I do like the structure in mine, but I'm not gonna lie, the color in this is so cute. Put your shoes, you could put like, for me, when I use it with mine, my BEIS bags, I put like towels, sometimes wet clothes, dirty clothes. This is like that section. Not bad. If you're not bothered by the structure not being there, then that's still pretty great. All right, what's next? So, zip here. Looks like you've got a lot of room, like my whole hand down to my wrist can go in there. So you have a lot of space. Like, look at that. I'm obsessed with this purple pop. It's just so cute. What else do we have here? So this is nice. In the last bag we didn't have, it's like a little water holder, bottle holder. So that's good. And also has that purple, which is cute. That's how deep it goes. Here, let's put my Stanley in and see how far that can go in. Oof. Okay, we're on the struggle. So not very far. I don't think I would trust it. It's already tipping out. So maybe like a standard water bottle. Okay, we're okay with it. You know what? Not all of us have big chunky water bottles. I have to with my kids. We just end up sharing a bottle. Just makes it easier for me instead of carrying like a million water bottles. Okay, let's turn her around. Flip it over. We still have the little strap here that goes over your carry-on and another pocket. Hello. Oh, there we are. More purple. Let's see how far my hand goes in. Okay, this is good. This is good pockets for me. So you can see inside how big it could be. That's a great pocket. I feel like sometimes that's where I would put like my, I don't know if it's a good idea to put your passport there, but I feel like it's always against me and never outwards. So, or you know, chapsticks. We do have different straps here. These are also kind of like a nylon. We have some cushion here. You know, that might be a little bit better. Just to compare to the BEIS one. The BEIS one's like leathery and this is not. So this one though, I mean with nylon, for me, if you're someone who's just like messy or has kids and you can't help but be messy, nylon, my best friend. I have so many nylon bags and I use them all the time. So much. Oh my gosh, look at that. So this is nice. It does have like some kind of metal in here to keep the bag open, which is great. Look at how beautiful she is. She's good. Okay, we have a lot of pockets. So we have 1, 2, 3. And okay, it looks like more. 3 pockets, right? Yeah. And then a huge space in here. And there's like that structure. You can fit a ton in this. Let's open up the BEIS one and do a side-by-side of how much bigger it is. Kind of hard to see, but actually a little longer. So this one feels longer and this one is a little wider. So see what you think with that information. Okay, so now I have the strap, which is a little different. It has a little padding to it. Also kind of similar to the other straps. No metal, but it's a black metal actually. Just kidding. Not plastic. It has nice like metal accents to it. Let's see how that goes. I don't even know where you... So it's actually on the side. So we'll put that. All right, so that clicked in. Interesting. And then, okay, so it kind of clicks in the back. One in the back and one in the front. So what do we think? Obviously we can adjust it a little looser. It's actually really comfortable in my opinion. Let's see, the only thing is, I feel like I probably should have closed it first, but here's how it would look. Do we like that? Cute. So here's how they look, how they appear. Pretty similar. This is just more leathery, the faux leather strap, that's BEIS. And then we have Florence. So, which is also kind of nice that it's nylon because the Weekender is a fabric. It's a pretty high performance fabric and it has this vegan leather to it, so it's just a different thing. But I don't know, I'm a really big fan of nylon. I just use it for every day for work. I have a backpack that's nylon that I use when I'm out with my kids, and I just feel like I feel like not stressed about it. I don't know. So there you have the Weekender. I think that we didn't miss any pockets. Any questions? Let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, what do we think? Do we like this more than the BEIS Weekender? I want to know your thoughts. I got every thought. I'm so curious. Now we have the travel backpack at full price is $70. But guys, right now, whatever day this is, I don't know to you in the future, but this is $45 on Amazon right now. So even if you see this video and it's $70 today, put it in your cart and wait for it to go on sale. I tell you, I do that with all the things I like on Amazon. I just shove it into my cart, and then I wait because it always goes on sale. Why pay full price when you don't have to? And I mean, like, I like nice things. I just don't like them at full price. Anyway, so let's talk about her. So we're just gonna skip the measurement part and I'm just gonna read you what it says. So it is 17, almost 18 inches tall and about 11.75 inches wide. Capacity, which I think is important when you're going to like school or something, 25 liters. Also nylon. Also you could fit a padded sleeve for up to, there is a padded sleeve for a 17-inch laptop, adjustable padded shoulder strap, tote band to slide over a rolling luggage, and bottle pocket. We'll talk about it. So back to the beautiful purple. I just think this is the prettiest purple that she picked. We have our bottle. Let's see if we can fit this in here. Ooh, wait, I think we're gonna have some luck. Thing is, I have a handle, so that's kind of tricky, but it did fit for the record. Just the handle stopped it. And we have 2 bottle pockets, and then let's go to the front pocket. Again, nylon. We have the same structure with the as the first with the zipper pocket. Huge pocket. This is so cute for school. I feel like I would want to put some patches on it. I don't know if you can with nylon, but so cute. I just love the one tone. So committed to the one tone life. Then we have another pocket here. This is the main, I think. Let's see. Not really. Oh yeah. So this is like the main part of the bag. Oh, and there's like a little secret pocket. Oh, I love it. Oh, it goes all the way down to here. Do you see my hand? My whole arm is in there. That is awesome. I feel like that's great for if you do travel with this backpack. Put your passports in there. What a nice little secret section, but also pretty good. Very padded in the back too, so if it leans against your back, you'll be a happy girl or guy. All right, so let's close her up. And then there's another sleeve at the very top, okay? Goes just that far, and I feel like that's the laptop sleeve. Very padded on both sides, which we like because we just don't want to break our nice computers. And then here's your little sleeve, which is so nice. I feel like I don't have a backpack with a sleeve compartment for your carry-on, but I feel like I need one. Also, let's talk about these. Look how thick the padding is. It's got that mesh there. This is so nice. Adjustable straps. It's beautiful, guys. And then you have your little hook there. Nifty. What do we think? This is a great bag. Pretty collapsible. Like, come on. I'm not gonna lie, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh no, I think I might be in love because I just love my BEIS stuff. No secret, I have like a bunch of BEIS videos, but I can appreciate when something's done really cute. So what do we think? Yay or nay to the travel bag? Final thoughts. I feel like it's got great style. The structure of everything, the quality feels really good. It feels like something I would genuinely use and feel comfortable with. I'm a huge fan of nylon, so I feel like the fact that they're all nylon, I could just easily wipe them. Like, I throw my nylon stuff everywhere. I just don't have the energy to be nice with my things. I wish I was, but I don't know. I can't have like super nice things because I just can't. I don't treat them as well as they should be treated sometimes. But anyways, so great. Nylon's my fave. The color is so cute, honestly, and there's 5 different colors. I don't know if every item, the backpack does come in 3 right now. It's like a blue, a sage green, and that purple, but so pretty. Also price points. Price points are a little like all over the place, like if you're comparing them to BEIS, but the sales are really good on Amazon. Again, back to what I was saying earlier, put it in your cart, wait for a sale. Otherwise, some of these are pretty reasonable, even not on sale. But if I had to choose from the Florence Weekender, the full-size black one versus the full-size BEIS Weekender, I feel like I'll still default to that. The only reason is because I like the structure of the BEIS one more, and I like that the bottom part is like a stiff material. It's like structured. I hate having everything just squished down. I like it kind of like sitting up. So does that make sense? But outside of that, it's like super comfortable to me. It's like very comparable, very stylish, very cute, and I would easily wear any of these traveling. All these items are a keep. If you're new here, I will have everything linked below for you to shop if you find any of these products interesting. There's also a bunch of other Florence by Mills collaboration with DELSEY Paris luggage and things like that. If you want me to review the luggage, please comment below, because I have been debating it, and I do have BEIS luggage to compare it against. So comment below if you want that review next. Don't forget again to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Ciao.